Welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix Snapchat not working on your Android maybe on iOS. So you have to make sure some settings to fix the issue. So simply go back to your settings of your phone. Just simply go back to your settings. Let's have on the settings and just have to make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. Simply go back and just find a Snapchat from the settings, just like a snap. Just search a snap from a search bar and just simply go to your Snapchat. Just tap on the Snapchat and you see there is a permission. Just tap on the permissions and just allow all the permissions from here. After just go back and just go back to your storage. Just tap on a storage and just clear the cache from here. So you have to make sure to clear the cache from here before using your Snapchat. So you have to make some setting. If your problem not gonna fix, then simply install the Snapchat again, install it from the Play Store. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.